Hi children, today we are going to discuss our next lesson, nutrition in animals. What is nutrition? In first lesson we learned nutrition. The mode of taking food by an organism is called nutrition. Then what are nutrients? Nutrients are the components of food. They are carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, proteins, etc. These are called nutrients, and these are have very essential functions in our body. The components of food such as carbohydrates are complex substances. So, the breakdown of these complex substances into simpler substances is called digestion. What is digestion? The breakdown of complex components of food into simpler substances is called digestion. What is digestion? The breakdown of complex components of food into simpler substances is called digestion. In this lesson, we study about digestion in humans. We take in food through the mouth and get digest and utilize it. However, you wonder what happens food inside the body? Have you ever wondered what happens the food inside the body? The food passes through the canal. Our body inside have one canal system. The food passes through this canal. And the canal which begins at buccal cavity. The canal begins at buccal cavity and ends at the anus. Okay, the canal begins at the buccal cavity, ends at the anus. The food gradually passes through this canal and digested. The canal consists of different compartments. The canal consists of various compartments. Do you know that's the name of that compartments? Yes. First one, buccal cavity. First one, buccal cavity. Second one, food pipe. Food pipe, another name esophagus. Third one, stomach. Next, small intestine. Next, large intestine. Next, rectum. And last one, anus. Okay. The canal consists of various compartments. The canal begins at the buccal cavity, ends at the anus. For buccal cavity, food pipe or esophagus, then stomach, then small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. Once more time. Buccal cavity, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. Do you understand? Okay. But these are the various compartments together to form canal. The canal is called alimentary canal. The canal is called alimentary canal or digestive tract. These compartments together to form alimentary canal or digestive tract, and the food get gradually passing through this canal, and the food gradually get digest passing through these various compartments. Okay, the food passing through these various compartments, it get gradually digested. The inner wall of the stomach and the small intestine and associated with some glands like salivary glands, pancreas, liver. They also secrete digestive juice. Inner wall of the stomach and small intestine and various glands like salivary glands, pancreas, liver. They secrete digestive juices. These digestive juices break down the complex components of food into simpler form, or digest the complex components of food into simpler form. The digestive tract or alimentary canal and the digestive glands. Digestive tract or alimentary canal and the digestive glands together to form our digestive system. The alimentary canal or digestive tract and digestive glands together to form digestive system. Let us study one by one. The first alimentary canal, first compartment, buccal cavity. Our digestion starts at the buccal cavity. Mouth or buccal cavity. We take in food through the mouth and get digest and utilize it. Some bacteria are present in our mouth, but it is not harmful to us. If we do not clean our mouth, the bacteria produce some acid. So everybody should rinse the mouth after meals. Otherwise, the bacteria produce some acids, and these acids damage our teeth. That is called tooth decay. Okay. What is the function of teeth in our mouth? The teeth, we chew the food with the help of teeth, and it cut into small pieces. Everybody should brush your teeth at least twice a day and rinse your mouth after meals. Otherwise, the bacteria produce some acid, and these acids damage our teeth. That is tooth decay. The first set of teeth is called milk teeth. First set of teeth grows which time? During the infancy, growing child. That teeth is called milk teeth. First set of teeth is called milk teeth. It is temporary teeth. They fall off at the age of 7 or 8 years. And set of permanent teeth, they replace them. And it lasts throughout the life. They fall off old age or any other tooth disease. How many teeth are present in our mouth? 20? 10? No. 32 teeth. 32 teeth are present in our mouth. What is the function of tooth? We chew the food with the help of teeth. Food cut into small pieces. Okay. Then another one major organ in our mouth. That is our tongue. Tongue is a fleshy muscular organ. It attached to the back to the floor of the buccal cavity. So it moves all direction. Front part of the tongue is free. So it moves all direction. What is the function of tongue in our body? The main function of tongue is talking. We use tongue for talking. Another one function, we can detect different tastes of food items. Different taste buds are present in our tongue. It helps, we can detect different tastes. So, bitter, salty, sweety, etc. Okay children, I conclude. First we study what is digestion. The breakdown of complex components of food into simpler substances is called digestion. Digestion starts at the buccal cavity, which begins at the buccal cavity and ends at the anus. Our digestive system consists of digestive tract and digestive glands. Digestive tract or alimentary canal together to form digestive tract and digestive glands together to form digestive system. Digestive system consists of buccal cavity, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. We take in food through the mouth. The process of taking food into the mouth is called injection. The process of taking food into the mouth is called injection. We take in food through the mouth and get digest and utilize it. Then food gradually passes through these various compartments of this canal. Then the food gradually digested. The mouth have teeth and tongue. We use teeth for cutting the food items, or we chew the food items with the help of teeth. And tongue is a muscular organ. Okay? What is the function of tongue? We use tongue for talking, and we can detect the different tastes of our food with the help of tongue. Okay, dear children. The next topic, food pipe. Next digestive organ is food pipe, that we can discuss in next class. Everybody should read the textbook carefully. If you have any doubt, you call me. Your notes will send through the WhatsApp. I hope you understood this portion very well. The next class we will meet again. Okay, dear children. Bye.